Welcome to We Smart. Today we'll show you how to convert a garage door into a smart garage door. The process is very simple. Let's take a look at the garage door motor in front of us. This garage door uses a nice motor. After opening the cover, we'll take a quick look at the controller board. You'll notice a PP symbol next to a button or switch icon. This input is normally used for connecting a wall switch to open and close the garage door. If we short these two terminals together, it's exactly like pressing the button. On this model, the first press opens the door, the second press stops it, and the third press closes it. The PP label stands for step-by-step. The symbol may vary between manufacturers, but the function is essentially the same. Several common symbols are shown on the screen. All of them perform the same basic function, with minor differences depending on the motor design. We're going to make this garage door smart through this input, using a Shelly 1. You can also use devices from Sonoff, Tuya, or other brands. The important thing is that the device uses a dry contact relay. In other words, the power feeding the device is isolated from the relay output. This is exactly what we need for a smart garage door installation. The devices shown in this video are linked in the description below. Among the easiest options are the Shelly 1, Shelly 1 Plus, and LoRaTap controllers. All of them can be powered directly from the same 220-volt supply used by the motor. They also support adding a door sensor to detect whether the garage door is open or closed. The LoRaTap unit includes a sensor from the factory. While Shelly requires an add-on module and door sensor. Now let's wire everything together. The motor is powered by two wires, one red and one black. We'll use a terminal block to create a branch connection and power the Shelly. Connect the live wire to L and the neutral wire to N. Next, connect two wires from the PP terminals on the motor to the I&O terminals on the Shelly. Since the output is a dry contact relay, the wiring is now complete. The final step is a simple setting in the Shelly app. Configure an auto-off timer of 1 second. When the relay turns on, it will automatically turn off after 1 second, simulating a button press. That's it. Your garage door is now smart. When you turn the Shelly switch on, the door opens. Turn it on again and the door stops. Turn it on a third time and the door closes, step by step. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.